In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to speed up your WordPress website. So there's actually a plugin that allows you to speed up your WordPress website for customers, for just viewers on your website, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. It's actually pretty easy. Okay, first thing you want to do, log into your WordPress account on your website, go to the back end and go to the panel and search for plugins. We are going to install a new plugin and search for it, WP Super Cache, just like this. It has over 2 million active users, as you can see, and we want to install this one. Okay, this may take a couple of moments, but there we go. Now we want to activate it, so hit activate, and now we are going to set it up. So it's already on, but we have to customize some small things on it. So let's go to WP Super Cache over here, go to settings. As you can see, you want to turn it on. What this basically does is if a visitor goes onto your website and you have a lot of pictures on your website, just as an example, the pictures will be kind of saved in his browser, and the second time he loads into the website, it will be way faster. Like, because it's already dated in his PC, then on his browser, it will be very fast. Okay, then we want to hit update status and do a test cache or delete it if you want to. And now we can go to advanced to change some information. Okay, what I recommend you to do is leave it on, enable caching, go to simple, not expert, and then we actually want to disable this one. This one is better. We also want to select this one and also this one. So this is what I recommend you to use. Also, all the recommended things here, they are okay. So we can do this one as well, and then go to this one as well. So you don't really have to do anything here. That's more for advanced things. This is okay. Code WP content cache, then hit update status, and now you're actually good to go. You can, if you want to, go to the CDN and check the information right here, like your domain and everything here, but you don't have to change anything else. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.